Hopefully I don't crash. Oh shit! Oh!
4 más, van 2 parejas de 4.
Oh, we ATV, dog.
You could drive first,
Very brave of you.
He said very brave. Yeah, I gotta see what's going on. He with it first, man. Buggy. I made a banana out of the name. Buggy, that's all I need right here. How you gonna be when you drive?
Hopefully I don't crash. He's scared, y'all. He's scared. He's scared.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh. I'm scared. Oh shit. Them niggas just hit us already. Yeah, goddamn, he fast. Okay. You can hang me now? We'll be Oh, whoa. Oh, bro. What you got to say?
Yeah, I've been fucking up, man.
Yeah, I think they done. Weather season. Coconut moving windy, coconut still calm, coconut wet, rainy, coconut white snow, coconut visible fall, coconut gone hurricane. Oh, so this coconut let you know what's going on. That's hard. That's hard. I ain't gonna lie. I think they finna ride the buggies or do something. Walk around, see what's going on. Cause y'all missed out, bro. I had to record a lot of, well, y'all didn't really miss out. I'm gonna put it in this video. I had to record a lot of content on my phone. because they ain't let cameras some places, especially on the zip line. We couldn't hold the camera on the zip line. But I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. The zip line that way. Back that way is the buggies that we did. This is everything we did. We did buggies, we did zip line, the safari over here. We did safari, and then all the way is on the other side is the horses. I highly recommend y'all. It was fun. It was teed up. I ain't gonna care, I had a good time. My favorite probably was the buggy. My second favorite probably was, I'll say the horses. Zip lining was my third favorite, and then fourth was the safari. The safari was just chill, it wasn't nothing crazy. But everything else turned up. Buggies, extremely fun. Not gonna lie. Over here is where we zip lined at. It's a beautiful, beautiful country, man. DR is very beautiful. I fuck with DR heavy. I gotta come back out here. Oh, that's the buggy right there. That's the buggy we was on earlier. There was a whole bunch lined up. Asia can't drive. I never ride with Asia again, man. Alright, can't drive at all. But nah, it was lit, man. 10 out of 10. Had a good time. Yeah, YouTube was good. Yeah. I'm ready to go back now, though. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm ready to go back to the resort, get some food, some drinks and shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, it can't be gone too long. It be good for a little minute. And after a while, you be like, hell nah, it's time to go back. I'm just walking all through the nature real quick. I ain't had my cams this morning because they was like, cams not allowed on a lot of shit. And my phone wasn't even allowed on the zip line. If I would've got a picture or video on the air on the zip line, that shit would've went crazy. I need to get me a GoPro. If I get me a GoPro, we up. A GoPro gonna set it off. Dang, they go up. You go over there first, you come on the zip line. It's like 5 zip lines, and then you go on the free fall. But them people scary. Let me see if I catch mine. There you go. Yeah. That's what I did, bro. It's like 5 of them. But I did it by myself. Let me hold it steady. Look. It's not that scary. Ledge, bro. That shit be too much. Too much force on the crotch area. You feel me? This was a good trip. I need to start doing more trips, bro. Next time I'm gonna plan my trip out. This was very last minute. That shit was my favorite thing. This shit felt like a real life like safari adventure. Like, you know how you put a game where you be driving around the jungle and shit? That's what that shit felt like. Hey, do you ever do buggies? Bring a change of clothes. So after you get done, they make you come over here and hit the water.
What's your YouTube channel?
YouTube? Let me show you.
I have no internet, but I'm gonna write it down.
Okay, baby. I'm gonna type it in for you.
My brother does YouTube, so I always follow people, try to help him out.
Okay, so can you hold this for me real quick? For 6 seconds? Alright. Thank you. You do YouTube too?
I don't. My brother does.
You like watching? Yeah, that's me right there. Appreciate you. Alright. But yeah, yo, good trip, man. Did a lot of good networking. Horses over here. Oh, the horses. The horses. Excursions, y'all. Next time y'all see me, I'm probably gonna be back at the resort. It's my last night, so I'm probably gonna get a little footage for y'all before the day end. And then tomorrow, we're going back to the airport, y'all. Y'all already know what's going on. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, all that. Mafia, we out, Lando. I want to pet the horse. It might be their dog. Yeah, that shit fun, I ain't gonna lie.
English. Okay, guys, come here, please. Come closer. English speaker, please. Welcome to the horseback riding hacienda. My name is Carlos. My horse's name is Star. Estrella. Star. Yeah? Pay attention, instruction about this activity. To ride a horse is very easy. Very simple. Who has horseback riding experience? You have experience? You have experience or don't have experience, don't worry, because that's horses are calm. The truth is, with the left hand you take the reins, another one you take the saddle. You want to go to the left, to the right, to the left, or you want to go to the right, to the right, to the right. Easy. When the horse is walking or running and you want to stop, pull back the reins. Just once. It's not necessary to continue pulling many times because the horse is going back and maybe it's falling down, right? The horse is walking, pull back the reins only once when the horse is stopping.
Oh, snap. That's hard. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, long way home.
Yes, we have.
Oh.
No.
Oh, like this? Oh. Oh. Bro, you hopped on me. He's tripping. You gotta feed the donkey too. You want some?
Baby, go.
Oh yeah. My son. What up? I don't got no food. I don't got nothing. I don't got no food. Yo, coffee right now.
The resort is cafe, coffee. That's a processed organic in Dominican Republic. Behind you, you only behind, that's a tree, that's a cocoa. Most people know about cocoa. Cocoa, inside on the bar we have 7 special roots. Just all this root and this comes.
Nice.
The nickname for this is the baby maker.
What is this, the bedroom?
Yeah.
When you pour cup,
You take a nap. What this is? It's the shithole. It's where they use the bathroom, I guess. There's nothing in there. What they got?
Okay, ¿qué me recomiendan probar primero?
Coffee.
No, the coffee first. Okay, the coffee first? Thank you so much. You want?
Which one? What's this over here?
Mama Juana. It's a drink. Dominican drink.
Oh, this bitter.
Mm.
You're not drinking Mama Juana. I'm drinking coffee and chocolate.
No.
You better.
Yeah, say what up.
What's up?
Yeah. Lando. I'm gonna show you. Trip going good, y'all. We doing a safari. We already did the ATV riding and we did the horseback riding. The last thing we gotta do is zip line, which we probably gonna do after this. You see me? Hey, look at all these animals though. See a bunny, a goat. What up, goat? But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna tune back in with y'all. I gotta charge my phone up, but shit going good. Look at that little donkey over there. They trying to pet the donkey. Tell that motherfucker, come kick your ass. But yeah, going good. I'm gonna tune back in with y'all later. Boy, get out your ass. Let me drive the bus. Oh shit. Finally back on the bus, man. We got some more content out there. But I'm finna knock out, bro. I'm about to KO for real. I'm tired. I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get back to the resort, bro. The last night, probably finna drink, get some good food.